What's up, family? Back with another video. So right now I am at the Commuter lot, camping out, getting ready to fix me some dinner. You shouldn't hear the noise from the road, but you might. I'm not sure if a truck comes by or something like that. So sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, I had a taste for some chicken today because the other day my daughter, my oldest daughter, came over to my youngest daughter and she cooked chicken, and I think she cooked dirty rice and some greens, and that chicken was really good, really good. And I went over there yesterday to take the twins to the park, and after we came back from the park, they were hungry, so it was only 2 pieces of chicken left, and still had some size left, and so I gave them to the twins. When my 2 Mile High grandsons got back from the gym, they were hot. They were like, "Man, you ate all the chicken?" I was like, "Come on now, I know y'all ate all that chicken," because she had a plate piled high with chicken that she cooked. And so I know they ate the chicken the night she cooked it. I know they probably ate some later on because they always up in the middle of the night eating. And so it was only 2 pieces left. What they gonna do with 2 pieces of chicken? 1 piece each after the gym. Come on now. So they were mad. I said, well, now you know how other people feel when you eat their food. So la-di-da. But anyway, yeah, I went over there today earlier. I was here last night, and it was quiet, uneventful. So I got up and I went to the gym to walk and take a shower. But when I got to the gym, I always check my app and make sure that my payment drop is on auto pay, so it shouldn't be no problem. I always check. So I checked, and it said you got a payment due. I was like, what? Now all this time it's been coming out my card, but then I remembered that I had that fraud incident, and I had to drive all the way up here from Maryland to get a new card, and the old card was the one on file. The new card is the one that is backup. So anyway, they had charged me $15 late fee. And when I saw that, I called them. And so I got it all straight. He gave me the credit for the $15. And he went on and said I just have to pay the $10 for this month. So I got it all straight and went on and, did my walk and took my shower. And I hadn't eaten anything all day, so I went over to my daughter's to check on the twins to see, what they were up to today. They were already outside, so I went and took the dogs out, and I had got some carrots for the dogs, some baby carrots, some organic baby carrots, and I gave them those after their walk. I had to cut them up cut them up small for them because they're Yorkies. And so, yeah, I ate some carrots, and then I was like, look, I need to eat something, okay? So I fixed me a half a sandwich, and I watched Law and Order, Criminal Intent. I'm on season 3, I think I'm on season 3. Anyway, so I said, let me go ahead, and my daughter came over. So they were getting ready to go to the gym, the same gym. My grandson got him a black card at Planet Fitness, so that's what him and my other grandson have been going every day. These boys are skinny as toothpicks. Oh my God, let me tell you this. So the other night they were looking for something to eat. I said, well, you want carbs and you want protein. So I was like, well, there's some baked beans in there. So you can fix you some rice or some hot dogs in there. So you got the hot dog and the beans are protein, and the rice and the beans are carbs, and you should be good. Nah, my mom, that sound ghetto. I said, what? Y'all tripping. So anyway, they said, okay, well, here's some tuna fish, and we can have tuna fish. And my other grandson, he pulled a can of spinach. The boy getting ready to eat the spinach out of the can. I said, boy, if you don't warm that spinach and put some seasoning in there. He said, no season. My mom's seasonings are calories. I was like, boy, if you don't put some seasoning in that pot. So they went upstairs to do something and came back down. I had seasoned that spinach up, honey, with some complete seasoning, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. So they come back down, and I said, you gonna make the tuna fish? And both of them, we don't know how to make tuna fish. I'm like, what? Where have you been? You don't even know how to make tuna fish. Now, one of them is 19 and the other one is 17, and they don't know how to make tuna fish yet? What? So, of course, my mom has to show them how to make tuna fish. So I showed them, made the tuna fish. I said, now, what you can do, since you got the tuna fish, I said you can make a tuna fish sandwich and have the spinach on the side. Let me tell you what these two clowns did. They put the spinach on one side of the bread and tuna fish on the other side and had a tuna fish and spinach sandwich. What? Are you kidding me? I had to text my daughter and tell her. She cracked up. I was like, are y'all serious? And you telling me rice and baked beans and hot dogs is ghetto? What? But you eating spinach and tuna fish sandwich on the same bread. Like, what? The crazy stuff these kids do, I tell you, it don't make no sense. So anyway, let me go ahead and start cooking. So I got some green chilies, and I got some pineapple chunks. So I need to open these. Where am I? Need to open these up. And I'm just going to use a few of these. I don't need a lot of them. Oh, they're already cut up. I thought I had to cut them up, but they're already diced. So that's good. I got these little containers from Dollar Tree. I think I can make 2 of them and put them in there once I get finished. And let me open this pineapple. I just want a little bit of pineapple. And you guys are always probably wondering, what is she cooking now? Let's go with a little bit more. Okay, that should be good. I'm just going to cut that up. Just cut it a little smaller than it is. I don't want it that big. So I'm basically just cutting it in half. All right. Now let's set this aside and get our pan ready. And I am using this pot. 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 I because I feel like I need something like deeper, so I'm going to use the pot. Come on, latch. Alright, and I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. I don't have much in here. I guess I might as well pour it in. My other olive oil is in the back in my pantry. So that's going to have to do. I got my little bag with my butter and cheese in there. I keep this in my cooler like this so it won't get wet. So I'm going to put some butter in here. That's about 2 tablespoons of butter. My green chilies are in there. I'm going to put a little bit of pineapple juice in there. And it looks burnt, but it's not. I think that's just the shadow. It did burn the butter a little bit, but it'll be all right. All right, that's a little better. All right, and this is the Hawaiian chicken from Aldi's. Yeah, it looks like this, and you're supposed to put it in a microwave, but of course I don't have a microwave, so I'm just going to put it in here like that. Clean my mess up. I got a trash bag already. So that's what it's looking like. So I'm just going to heat this through. There's some big pieces of chicken in there too. Let's see if I can cut them up some. Alright, I cut them up so they'd be smaller. I got my pineapple in there, and this chicken already has a sauce in it, so I just have to heat it through. So let me show you what we're looking at. Bubbly goodness, all heated up. And I made some rice earlier, so I didn't hold y'all, so I just made some rice. Just plain white rice. So let me put some of that on my plate. Turn that off. Alright, so let's go ahead and put some of this on over top the rice. So this probably feeds 2 people. So I have leftovers for tomorrow. And I got my plate situated. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Alright, you guys. Here is my plate. My Hawaiian chicken. Let's taste it. You get a little piece. And a piece of the pineapple. And some of the rice. That's good. It's sweet and tangy. I think I need to cut my chicken up a little bit more. I'm gonna cut my chicken up smaller. That way I can mix it up. Alright, so I cut it up some more. I like to mix my rice up into it so I get some of everything. And remember, it's got that pineapple juice. It's nice and tender. Very good. I wanted to have some green peppers, but Aldi doesn't sell single green peppers. They sell them in a 3-pack. Then they had the red, the yellow, and the orange in a 3-pack. And then they had that bag of smaller peppers. And I know I didn't need all them peppers. What was I going to do with all those peppers? I couldn't even take them over to my daughter because they're not going to be cooking with that many peppers. So that's why I did the green chili. But I think the peppers would have added a little bit more crunch. Although the pineapple has added some sweetness and some crunch. So it's kind of like sweet and sour chicken, if you've ever made sweet and sour chicken. But this is like the easy version because the chicken is already made for you. Just make you some rice and you could put whatever you wanted to put in there. I think red peppers would have gave it a pop of color and it would have been good. It's still good. It's really good. But yeah, I'm just thinking of ideas of what I would do next time that I make it. So I'm just gonna hang out here in the van. My son called me a minute ago, so I'm gonna call him back and see what's up with him, and I'm gonna get out of here until the next time I cook for y'all. Have a great day. Peace.